Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is JessicaJ, and on the channel we do home decor videos, lifestyle videos, and if you like shopping, we do a lot of that too. So if that interests you in any way, please consider subscribing. Today we are going shopping at Target. I was in the area, and whenever I'm near Target, I have to go in just to see what new pieces they got, because I feel like every time I go, they have new pieces popping in and showing up. So of course I gotta see what Target has going on. I love Target. Their home decor stuff is actually really good, and they're priced very well. So I'm gonna do another reaction style videos. A lot of you guys like that, so I'm gonna be shopping with you guys, letting you guys know what I think is good, you know, letting you guys know what I think about certain items. I have my computer right here, and stay tuned to the very end because I have a little haul as well. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first thing up is the Decor vase. I've seen a lot of people use these as utensil holders. I think it's good and it's priced well. I'm happy to see some stuff on clearance. I love when Target puts things on clearance because they usually price it really well, and I just love a good sale. So I don't know what those scents smell like, but keep a lookout if you guys are interested in a diffuser. Love that vase. Love that vase. I love anything round, if you guys can tell behind me. So I did see some new artwork, and I don't know why it has like a purpley hue. Even this tray right here, if that is your color, then you are in luck because they have it. If it's not, then I don't know. I don't know why it's a purple hue. This one's coming off a little bit more purple than what it was in person. I do really love the abstract type of scenery, but it does kind of look a little purple, huh? Okay, this bowl, you guys have probably seen it if you're watching other, Target videos. It's actually really heavy. I had to kind of get my wrist together to show you guys, but this is part of the Studio McGee line. It's $35, and it's actually really good. It feels like it's really good quality. I showed these before. I just love the color. I love those. So these are not feather filled, but the way the filling is in there, you can kind of manipulate that and chop it in a way. So that's a plus. Okay, I really love these kind of vases. I don't know if that's a vase, or you can use a vase, or you can use it as a candle holder, but I love those for using as, for putting branches in. Those are really good for that. The teak wood box. I have my eye on a wood box, not this one, but I think it's a good way to bring some warmth in the home. More of their vases. Their vases and vessels are actually getting really good. They've been getting good for a while now, but they just keep getting better. They feel super substantial. They're heavy. They're getting bigger. I like that. I love that Target. And let me just say, I love how I'm seeing their older pieces pop up, because I have my eye on a couple of vases that, well, one I actually already own, but there's another one that I wish I would have got. It's a big threshold one. I'll show you guys a picture of it, but yeah, I love how I'm seeing some of the other stuff pop up again. And this is new. I've never seen this. This is from the Hearth and Hand line, and this vase is huge. If you need a really big vase and you like texture, I will keep a lookout for this. $30, and it was too heavy for me to lift with one hand. More of the Jungle pieces. I actually think her pieces are, let me pause the video on this one. I actually think her pieces are really fun. I think that if you have that fun type of vibe, I would definitely keep a lookout for these items right here. Super cute floor pillows by Jungle. If you have that color palette, I actually like those. And this super cute little vase right here, it does look like the Threshold, one of the Threshold vases. I love it. It looks so expensive too. I'm gonna have to find out the price of that one, but that looks good. So this is my first time seeing this lamp in person, and I like it. I think it looks like a Restoration Hardware dupe, and I think it's good. More lamps. I love the shade on that one. And I love these. Like I said, guys, these are really good for florals or really tall stems, and they're priced so well. I got mine from Home Goods, but yeah, they have a bunch at Target if you guys are interested in that kind of vase. And this is just me being extra. I like this candle, and I'm just trying to see which one looks better on top of a book, because I just want to put on top of a book. So that's just me having fun in Target, guys. Pay me no mind. All right, so that is the end of the shop with me. What did you guys think of the items that you saw? I love how they're getting some of those older pieces in. I'm gonna show you the vase I'm talking about, but there's a vase. If you guys see it, oh, you have to get it. It's so good. A couple of their vases are. Okay, so for the haul, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. It is a small haul. You guys know I'm being very selective. I'm not going crazy with what I'm bringing into my home. So the first thing that I wanna show you guys, and which is a trick, I can tell you guys how each one of these smell, because I thought I got two of the same ones and I didn't. I just realized they're two separate diffusers when I brought them out here and put them right next to each other. So I have the one in Clarity, and then I have the Tranquility. I had one in my bathroom, and then I had one in my hallway bathroom. And every time I went in my hallway bathroom, I'm like, why does that one smell so much more like flowers than the one I have? It's because they're two separate ones, you guys. So the Clarity one is more of that like grapefruit, crisp, fresh smell. It smells really, really good, but it is very strong. So let me just read it right from the website. It says it has a blend of bergamot, and I actually really love bergamot. It has grapefruit and ginger oil. So it says it gives off a fresh, crisp scent. And that's exactly how I can describe it. You really definitely get that citrusy smell to it. It's very, very strong. To the point where I did have to close my bathroom because it was like seeping into my room a little too much. So if you're into that type of smell, I think you would really like this. It had the bathroom like lit up. It smelled lit up. Maybe I shouldn't use that term. It had the bathroom smelling really, really, really good. And then the Tranquility, let me go to that one so I don't butcher anything. The Tranquility I actually love. I'm actually gonna switch the diffusers because I'm more of like a floral girl, and this smells a lot like floral. So on the website it says that it has a blend of lavender, chamomile, frankincense. It says it gives off a floral, slightly sweet, woody scent. So if you're into that, I would definitely check out the Tranquility. You can also go on Target because there's a candle that matches with each of their scents, and you can just smell those. They're out in the open if you need help deciding on which diffuser you want to get. But my favorite is the Tranquility, only because I like florals. And the last thing I got, and shout out to my girl Brenda Michelle because she picked this up as well, and it caught my eye because I really needed a new candle for my coffee table, and I couldn't decide if I wanted to get the bigger one for my coffee table or no, the smaller one for my coffee table, or the bigger one just, I don't know, for my coffee table or my island. So I just went with the larger size because the smaller one was about half the size of this, and it was priced at $15. This one was double the size and it's priced at $20. So I just thought it made more sense just to get the bigger one. It smells so good. I already burnt it because I wanted to make sure that it was worth it. It is. It definitely has a good amount of throw, and it smells so good. So this one is in the Masala Rose, and it says it has notes of warm clove and cedar wood. It definitely has notes of vanilla as well. It's a very warm, like rosy floral scent. I think it's really, really good for fall and winter, or if you like more of a toned down floral scent, like you don't want it too sweet. I think that you guys would really, really, really like this. And the packaging, I mean, hello. And it looks super expensive. This thing was $20 and it's huge. I love, love, love everything Target's doing right now. I am 100% Target supporter. Oh, by the way, the diffusers are $15. So that is the end of the shop with me and the haul. Let me know if you guys are interested in any of the pieces that I showed or even the pieces that I picked up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye.